Well, good morning from Indiana. It's about 3:50. The Canadian Pacific Holiday lit up train is about to come by, I think. I got the GoPro right out here. I'm gonna try to capture it as it rolls by. Every year this train comes by, and yet it's always too early for me to get up and come and see it. It's still too early today, but we're out here. I'm recording this on my phone. Hopefully it turns out decent. Maybe you'll see the light right down there. It's also cold out here, about 25 degrees. Unfortunately, I don't see any lights. I wonder if this is just a freight train. It is. Psych. Alright. Holiday train should be coming up very soon. I believe it should be the next one, going the opposite way of what this is going right now. Excellent. You'll have an unabated view. Alright, here comes the holiday train. Maybe 2 or 3 minutes out. Maybe the GoPro set up on top of the truck. It's too early for this. But I'm already out here. I see a drone up there too. Nice part about recording on my phone is it's 4K and it sees a little better at night than the GoPro does. Alright, pick back up in a second once it's a little closer. Here it comes. Those crossing gates just lit up down there. Ooh, that's neat. Don't get too close to the tracks, people. That's cool. Check your area. They do events for this, concerts out of it sometimes. Might be in your area if you live in the more northern United States or in Canada. Right, that was cool.